Even though it's not gonna help, probably. It's me lagging out. Yeah. I'm lagging. I'm already showing everything, lagging out and everything. I don't think you can see that shit. Server has timed out. Invite me to the game. That's not the. It's a 12-11. It's 12-17. Did you send me an invite? Yeah, these people IP flooded me. I'm done, yo. First match of the day already. IP flood. Yo, did you invite me? Did you invite me or not? I can't join. I'm probably gonna get signed out anytime soon. Watch.
Y'all niggas are so fucking bad.
Yep, you see, signed out. Never has a card. You have been signed out of PSN. Let me turn on my system. Turn it back on. Piss me off, son. It pisses me off, man.
You could see that something happened because look, that shit is blinking like it's being used, and I'm not doing anything. I don't have any streams or nothing.
Like it's being used. Yeah, fucking people IP flooding though. Like they made it obvious that they put it in on their GB profile. Kids think kids. No, he said something about I play around telling people I IP flood. Don't say nothing to them. We just gonna send this proof in. If GB gives them their win, because GB fucking sucks cock.
I keep putting my boy, nigga. Oh my god. Nigga, shut the fuck up, nigga. Fuck out of here, nigga. You fucking bum ass nigga, dog. That's why you almost get 2 piece, nigga. You could never see me done with those guys, nigga. Get the fuck out.
You know who I think IP floods? Let Power host.
You know internet, cause look, now I don't have internet.
Yo, these fucking cheaters. I'm getting tight, man. It's me trying to sign back in and I can't sign back in. God, no, it don't work. It don't work like that. You can reset it 10,000 times as long as they keep on pressing that keyboard.
No, because if you reset it, the IP changes. So
No, that's not true. How many times I've reset it at my house? Fucking Christ, man. What's the other guy's name? Sign in. Shit, still. Not retarded.